Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event. Yes, I found some new unmarked clearance items, and we have new coupon matchups. That means freebies plus more overage. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video because we are trying to get to 25,000 crazy couponers this weekend, and we are so close, less than 100 people. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up before you go, and leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all are up to today. Are you going to go shop the Dollar General clearance event today on the last day? Let me know in the comments, and then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so I was up bright and early this morning at about 3 a.m. I was putting together the new coupons and glitches video, and by the way, that is uploaded and ready to go. So if you missed out on that one, I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below for you, so definitely go and check it out. So anyways, after I got that video finished, I got ready, threw my shoes on, and headed on out to Dollar General. Now, as I'm sure most of you already know, today is the last day of the Dollar General clearance event. After today, all of the prices will go back up to their regular clearance price. So, while I was out shopping yesterday, I came across this store and they had a lot of their cleaning supplies still in their regular spot. So, I made a quick little clip just to make sure that y'all knew what to be on the lookout for. So, first up, we have this Tide Bowl toilet bowl cleaner. It's just 67 cents right now, regular $1.50. Next up, we have the Scrubbing Bubbles Disinfectant. These are regular $3.50. Right now, they're $1.31. Now, next up, we have an amazing deal. In fact, I made a second trip out this morning just to pick some more up. We have the OxiClean Daily Clean Cleaners, regular $3.75. Right now, they are $1.69. Let me tell you, while I was out shopping yesterday, I found some one-off-one peelies on another bottle of OxiClean, the dark blue bottles. I'll put up a picture on the screen here. I snagged those and went back to the other store and used these one-off-one peelies this morning on these OxiClean Daily Clean Cleaners, making them just 69 cents. So you guys be on the lookout for those peelies. Now, moving on down the line here, we have Scotch-Brite one-step antibacterial sprays. These are $1.42. And we have the Gonzo disinfectant sprays. Those are $1.31. Now, next up, we have the Resolve Pet Cleaners. Normally $5.95. Right now, they're $2.67. And we have a one-off-one digital coupon, leaving you paying just $1.67. Now, next up, here was a really good surprise. We have the Odoban disinfecting sprays. I thought these were going to be $2 this weekend, but they're actually just $1.50. We have the lavender and the eucalyptus scent, again, just $1.50. So I did end up picking up a couple more things this morning, taking advantage of some new overage, and I will show you all my haul later on. But the main reason why I wanted to make this video was so that you guys were aware of all of the new overage that we have with our new coupons. So the first deal that we're going to talk about is the new instant savings. So you'll instantly save $3 when you spend $10 on Irish Spring, Fabuloso, Ajax, Murphy's, Colgate, Palmolive, Suavitel, and Soft Soap. So we do have Colgate that is included in this instant savings. We have the Colgate toothpaste gum protection, 4.8 ounces. These are $1.20 right now. And we have a new 2-off-1 digital coupon, making it free, plus giving you 70 cents in overage. Next up, we have the Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste Vibrant Clean, 3.2 ounces. These are $1.50 right now. And with that 2-off-1 digital coupon, that makes it free, plus giving you 50 cents in overage. Next up, we have the Colgate Renewal Gum Toothpaste Enamel Fortify Clean Mint Gel. These are $2.10 right now. And with that 2-off-1 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 10 cents. Now, I kind of gave y'all the heads up on the instant savings last week and told you guys to be on the lookout for these big refill bottles of soft soap. So these are 50% off. They're going to be just $1.12. So if you found a bunch of those bottles, here's just a really quick deal that y'all could do. You could pick up 9 bottles. That's going to put you at $10.08. That $3 in instant savings will come off at the register. That's going to leave you paying $7.08 for 9 bottles, making those 78 cents each. Now, keep in mind, that is just an example. Y'all can definitely mix and match. Here are some more soft soap hand soaps that are included in the instant savings. So these are the 7.5 ounce bottles. We have the little aquarium bottles and Fresh Breeze. These are just 42 cents right now. Now, also included in the instant savings is the Irish Spring Antibacterial Bar Soap, 3 count. So these right now are just $1.10. So like I said, y'all can definitely mix and match, and you can even throw in some full priced items and then include a couple of clearance items if you wanted to. But today is the last day to get these clearance prices, so I just wanted to make sure that y'all were aware of it. All right, now let's get into some more coupon matchups. Next up, we have a few household deals. Now, I know that the laundry detergent is going to be really hard to find since it is Sunday and this is the last day of the clearance event, but I wanted to go ahead and include these deals just in case you guys find one on the very top shelf or stuck back in a corner somewhere. So we have the Purex with Clorox liquid laundry detergent. This is the 128 ounce bottles. Right now, these are $3.83. We did receive a new 3-off-1 digital coupon this morning, so that makes these just 83 cents. How awesome would that be to find one of these big bottles of Purex and just pay 83 cents? Next up, we have the Tide Simply Clean and Fresh Citrus and Vanilla Bliss Scent, 22 loads. These right now are $1.45, and we received a new 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just 95 cents. Next up, we have the Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent Fresh Coral Blast Scent, 48 loads. Right now, these are $4.02. We received a new 2-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $2.02. Next up, we have the 35-count Lysol Wipes Mango Hibiscus Scent. These are $1.44 today, and we received a new 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just 94 cents. Next up, we have the Airwick Scented Oil Refills 2-count. Now, there's different scents of these things out there, so y'all can definitely mix and match. These right now are $2.25, and we received a new 3-off-2 digital coupon. So if you pick up 2 of those, use that digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying $2.50 for 2. All right, next up, here's a really good deal. We have the Suave Men's Body Wash Citrus and Sage Scent, 15-ounce bottles. Right now, these are 87 cents, and we received a 1-off-1 digital coupon this morning. If you find it, use that coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 13 cents in overage. Now, if you can't find that one, be on the lookout for the Suave Men's Body Wash Refreshing Scent, 15-ounce bottles. These, again, are 87 cents. With that 1-off-1 digital coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 13 cents in overage. All right, next up, we have an instant savings on Dove, Axe, and Tresemme products. So when you spend $8, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. And we do have a couple of products that are included with this instant savings deal. So first up, we have the Dove Men Plus Care Deep Clean Bar Soap 3-count. These right now are on clearance for $1.55, and we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon that you can use with it, making those just 55 cents. And we also have the Dove Hand Soap. We have the Deep Moisture or the Shea Moisture. Right now, these are $1.55. Now, these hand soaps also attach to that new Dove coupon for save $2 when you spend 7 on Dove products. So, if you guys could find a couple of these, you could even mix and match with a regular priced item. Get over the $8 mark, stack that coupon with the instant savings, and you could probably come out with a really good deal. All right, next up, Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser with the shampoo or the conditioners. Right now, these are $1.35. We received a new 3-off-2 digital coupon this morning. So if you can find 2 of these, pick them up, use that coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.65 in overage. Now, I know that a lot of us snagged these up during the last clearance event because we had overage back then as well. But believe it or not, these things are still out there. I actually found 3 this morning on a bottom shelf of an end cap. And you better believe I picked up 2 of them and took advantage of this overage. So just keep your eyes peeled. You never know with Dollar General what they're going to bring out from the back or what might just pop up, just anywhere. So just be on the lookout. All right, next up, some super cheap razors. We have the Women's Bic Silky Touch Disposable Razors 12-pack. Right now, they're $1.27. We did receive a new 1-off-1 digital coupon this morning, so that's going to leave you paying just 27 cents. And last but not least, we have the Bic Metal Disposable Razors 5-count. Right now, they're just 90 cents. And we have a new 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 10 cents in overage. Now, I know I have a lot of new Craz-E couponers out there, and I do want to say welcome everybody to the Craz-E couponing community. And I also just wanted to go ahead and give y'all a heads up, just in case you are brand new to couponing at Dollar General, that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. And also, when you're dealing with overage, you always want to make sure that you have something else in your cart for that overage to apply to. Don't ever let the cashiers give you cash back, because they can get in trouble for doing that. So always make sure that you have something else in your cart for that overage to apply to. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I'm sure I'll have a short haul video up, so be on the lookout for that. And then I'm also thinking about going live. You guys let me know what y'all think about that. I thought maybe we could just get together for a few minutes, chit chat about the clearance event. Maybe I'll just share my haul with you all over the live. I don't know. Answer some questions and just talk to you guys about how your all's weekend went. So you guys let me know if you're interested in that. And if you are, kind of let me know what time frame. Mornings, afternoons, evenings, night, after the kids are in the bed. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Now, if you're brand new here, I do want to say welcome and ask you to please go ahead and hit your subscribe button, because we are so close to getting to 25,000 Craz-E couponers. That was kind of the goal, to see if we could do it before the clearance event ends. And we are so close. We are within 50 subscribers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and share the video, because all of those things really do help me out, and it also tells YouTube to share the video to more couponers. So let's get this video out there. If y'all could do me a really quick favor and click that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.